Hey everyone, I'm here at Miss Brady's phone here in the elementary school, and it needs to be provisioned. The reason I can see that it needs to be provisioned is because where it normally says the extension, it says account number 1. So here's the IP address of the phone. I just hit that, and out of the box the password is admin and the username is admin. So that's the I might type that wrong. Admin, A-D-M-I-N. Yeah, there we go. But anyway, admin and admin is another clue to you that it has lost its provisioning for whatever reason. That's a strange thing. It never should lose its provisioning, but somehow it got maybe factory reset or something. But anyway, look here in the account 1, it says SIP registration no. So somehow it went back to factory settings. But anyhow, we're going to go in here and we have to change this to HTTP. I've got the command copied to the clipboard. Oops, that's the wrong one. The command is for this one was here. Boom. And now I have a notepad with the provisioning command. That other command there is the firmware upgrade command, and it doesn't always need that, but I'll put it in there anyhow for now. So there, once those two things are in there, what you do is save and apply. And okay, it succeeded. Now you got to do one more thing. You got to reboot the phone. And up at the top there, it says reboot. Boom. I don't know if you can see it real good up here, but it said reboot. So now the phone is rebooting. And once the phone reboots, we'll be good to go. I will make another video in a minute here so that you don't have to wait for it to reboot, but I'll show you what it looks like after the phone has rebooted. Hey, here's provisioning a phone part 2. So once the phone reboots, it actually reboots twice, and it grabs a new IP address as this one did, and now the password is Cirrus. After you do admin, it's Cirrus, C-I-R-R-U-S. Now, when it logs in with that password, you'll know that it's been provisioned. Hey, provisioning a phone video 2. So the first part, we had to wait for the phone to reboot twice, which takes maybe, 5 or 10 minutes sometimes. So once it's provisioned, the username's still admin, but the password is Cirrus, C-I-R-R-U-S, and then we log on. And now that it logged in, now you can see that account, boom, there's the extension, and there's the address of the phone server, and it says yes now where it used to say no. So these are good things, and this means that the phone will now work. All right, so we will catch up with you in a bit.